Now let me show you how to block unwanted emails from a particular sender or a particular organization that is sending it through a particular hosting company. So what we would do is we would click on Tools and go down to our options, and we see here on top in the Preferences tab, we see here on the emails a junk email button. Go ahead and click on that, and we see that we can create lists of people that are safe senders that will always accept their emails and never put them in the junk email box, or safe recipients. And also we have our block senders, and this is what I wanted to show you, that we can put in, if we click on add, we put in it asks us for an email address or an internet domain name to be added to the list. So therefore any emails coming from that particular address or that internet domain name, meaning some type of server, that would be automatically placed into our junk mail folder, which is located over here on our Outlook taskbar. We see we have a junk email folder, and those emails will automatically be placed there, and the sender will not be notified that you have placed his emails in a junk email folder. And it's probably better that way, because if he did know, then he would find other ways to send you those emails, and especially if it's some type of spam or advertising. So that's how to set a list of blocked senders of unwanted emails.